we now have a new training option for customers called the DDN Virtual Classroom. This is a low-cost, self-serve online training program which includes all the major DDN products and available on demand whenever you're ready to get trained on your system. The DDN Virtual Classroom has a wide variety of content, including recorded lectures by experienced DDN system and support engineers, system demonstrations, step-by-step labs, and field unit replacement procedures. That's over 60 hours of content video. In addition, many of the modules have quizzes so you can test your knowledge, and when you pass the quiz, you'll receive a completion certificate which you can display proudly. Here's an overview of the purchase and access process for the DDN Virtual Classroom. Starting with you, the customer, you can order training with a PO number or a credit card. Contact your DDN salesperson and ask them for on-demand training. You can use the traditional approach of generating a purchase order, in which case the DDN salesperson will handle it like they do every other product from DDN. If, however, you'd like to get access to on-demand training as soon as possible, tell your DDN salesperson and they will generate a quote and then send that to DDN Finance, who in turn will contact you for credit card type, number, expiry, and security code. Also be ready to provide the email address that will be used to create your training credentials. With this collected information, the order can be processed quickly, and then regardless of PO or credit card payment, the system will send a purchase notification to Education so we can create your account and send you an email with instructions to access the virtual classroom. Now let's have a closer look at that email you should be expecting. Shortly after placing your order, you will receive an email from DDN Technical Training with the subject line, "Welcome to the DDN Virtual Classroom." When you open the email, you'll see that the actual email address is education@ddn.com, and in the body of the email, you'll see the instructions to create an Adobe account. This will allow you to set and manage your own password. When you click on the link, you'll be asked to provide some information. The first is the email address. Be sure it's the same one that you specified when purchasing the product. Then enter your name, a new password, date of birth, and click on the blue Create Account button. Now click on the Login button, and you now have access. Let me take you on a short tour to show you what's available. The home screen is your dashboard, and it gives you a summary of all the courses that have been assigned to you. In this example, there are 2 courses. Let's click on SFA Administration and have a look. We can see here 6 video modules of various topics. To play the video, simply click the module of interest. All the administration modules are given by an experienced DDN systems or support engineer. Detailed technical slides will explain the various topics covered for each of the modules. Diagrams help to explain the topic at hand. In the case of the hardware modules, you'll see a breakdown of all the various components within any system, and where appropriate, the hardware is demonstrated. At any point in the video, you can stop and return to the course menu. Here we're scrolling through all the modules in the SFA Administration course. The current duration of all the SFA modules is almost 9 hours. This also includes an SFA lab, which shows step-by-step procedures using the command line user interface for some of the common administration tasks, such as showing the physical disks and creating pools. Now, returning to the SFA course, we can easily navigate to the dashboard by clicking on the Home button in the upper left corner. Now let's have a quick look at the Exascaler Administration course. Currently, this course has 10.5 hours of content. However, we're constantly adding new content, so this may very well be different when you access the system. The Exascaler course has a number of new advanced topics, such as job stats. The system engineers presenting these topics have been selected specifically based on their expertise with the topic at hand. All the administration modules contain a quiz. These are, of course, optional, but a great way to test your knowledge. Most consist of 25 multiple-choice questions. At the end, your score will be displayed, and if you pass, you'll receive a certificate of completion. We'll now go back to the dashboard and explore the other courses that are currently available to you. Scroll over any course to get more information. You can access any of the courses shown here, including the FRUs, or Field Replacement Unit videos showing replacement procedures for all the DDN hardware systems. And now we sign out to end our tour. The DDN Virtual Classroom is $995 in the US for a single user with 12-month access. So contact your DDN salesperson, place an order for TRG-on-demand. You can use a major credit card for faster access, and you'll receive an email with your credentials. So get going, get smart, and get the DDN Virtual Classroom.